Hello everyone, my name is Bulapaya Vichai. I am from Faculty of Education and my number is 419. Today I am going to present ornamental aquatic animals. And my favorite one is Siamese fighting fish or betta. I like this one because it is common fish. We see it. And it also beautiful. I think everyone had it for once in a life. Okay, the first. Betta fish, commonly referred to as Siamese fighting fish, are one of the most popular fish breeds. With its jewel tone, coloring and flowing fins, betta fish are a guest addition to any fish lover's home. Not all betta fish fight, only the males. Female betta can be kept together. Despite how they are often sold, betta should not be kept in fish bowl. Betta are happiest when they keep in water that is soft, warm, with a natural to slightly acidic pH. For the next, betta habits and care. Betta are one of the most recognized, most colorful, and often most controversial fish in the freshwater aquarium hobby. Debate rage about the appropriateness of keeping them in small bowls. To fully understand their needs, it is important to become familiar with their native habitats, where they live in large rice paddies, shallow ponds, and even very slow-moving streams. Although many fish keepers are aware that bettas come from shallow water, the water temperature is often overcooked. For the last one, colors and markings. The brilliant coloration and long flowing fins of the male betta make it one of the most well-known of aquarium fish. Females are usually not as highly colored and have much shorter fins. In nature, this species is not usually brightly colored. Thank you.